In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a temporary Gmail account and password. This can be incredibly useful for situations where you need a quick, temporary email address without committing to a permanent account. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google account creation page, which you can find at accountsgoogle.com/signup. This is where our journey begins. When you arrive on this page, you'll see a form asking for your basic information. Here is where you'll enter your first and last name. Don't worry too much about the name you use, as this is a temporary account. Now it's time to choose your username. This will be your new Gmail address, so pick something that's easy to remember but also unique. Alongside that, you need to create a strong password. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This ensures your account remains secure. Once you've completed this form, click Next. Google will now prompt you to verify your account using your phone number. It might be tempting to bypass this step, but doing so could prevent you from successfully creating your account. So go ahead, enter your phone number, and verify it when you receive the code. Moving on, you'll see some optional fields like adding a recovery email address or entering your date of birth. You can fill these out if you want, but for a temporary account, you can simply skip them. The next thing you'll encounter are Google's terms and conditions. Make sure to read them, then agree and proceed. Congratulations, you've now created your temporary Gmail account. But what about using it effectively? Since this is a temporary account, you may want to store your credentials safely, especially if you plan to use it more than once. Consider using a password manager to help with this. Now, when you're finished using this account, there are a few options for cleaning it up. If you want to delete it entirely, head over to myaccountgoogle.com, go to the Data and Privacy section, and look for the option to delete your Google account. Alternatively, instead of creating a new account every time, you can use an alias with your existing Gmail account by adding a plus sign and a tag, like your name plutag@gmail.com. But if you won't need to use this account ever again, the delete option is probably best. And there you have it. A quick, efficient way to set up a temporary Gmail account, complete with tips on managing and eventually deleting it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.